see how to make attractive presentations. Let's see with an example. This is one presentation form, and how is this? This look awesome. So how to make this awesome kind of presentations we will learn in this video. So just I will select one new file, and then what I will do, I will just delete this and this delete. Then in the insert, go into the shapes and then select one square rectangle. And what here in this shape, what we have to do, in the shape format, go into the shape format and rotate this, sorry, format shape. Here you can actually do the rotation of, for let's say 135 degree I will do the rotation. So this is one part. I can actually increase this to some extent and then just place it here, and then just with control and just select one more and then select one more. So this is this part. Till this we have come. Now first we will just take the background also. We will change the background of the slide, format background, and in this color I will take it to the black right now. Okay, now in this three you can just do a grouping, group. So these three are grouped now, so wherever you want to move, and it will be easy. Now what we will do, we will go into the folder like Khajuraho. I want to get Khajuraho images, Raho images, and I will just take from here. And a temple image I will just take. For example, I want to take this image, just an example. We'll just copy the image and will, now in this we will just do the picture fill or text fill. So you can actually take from a clipboard, you change, this image is changed. So now this image is there, and now what we have to do, we have to get this kind of part, like how this can be done. So in this what we will do, we will just insert a text box here, and here we will write Khajuraho. Now just to this we'll do the shape formatting. We'll change the color of this shape to a gray color, and this also gray to some extent. And what we can do, we can just increase the size. Now we have to increase the size. I think spelling mistake was there. Khajuraho. Now what here, you can do one more thing here. Like right now it is very sharp. So what we can do, we can just select this, go into text options, and then we can do the transparency. So see if you can create a transparency. Now it is to some extent is in within the, it's like um, getting with the black color. It is what we can say, it is mixing up with that color and it's showing a good effect. In this we can actually also do one more thing, that on the text fill I have to take the same, and on this also I need to take the same color, and then we can go into text option and then do the transparency, and we'll do no outline, sorry, solid fill. Here no outline, we'll remove the outline. Sorry, the transparency is totally zero. Now see, this is done. Now what we have to do, we have to have this part. I will just copy from here. We can actually take from any place, and I will just paste it here. We can actually do the like with the images change, just change. Now you can see the effect and the presentation, how that means a very effective presentation can bring in, and the people who are looking at our presentation, they find it very attractive, and they will also understand what you want to actually convey from the presentation. So I hope you got to understand how this kind of a texture can be added, and how this kind of presentation can be made. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.